Hello my dear children, very good morning. You're most welcome in class 12th accountancy. It is R.R. Tripathi from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur, going to explain the NPOs, not for profit making organization. In previous video, you have seen just the income and expenditure account is prepared, how the process and the policy just explained for the sake of you. In through the income and expenditure account, just the surplus and deficits are ascertained by the organization. Now, some specific fund received by the organization for particular use, whatever the arrangement organized by the organization to promote the sports, to promote the cultural activities, and so on. Through the practical question, I would like to explain for the sake of you just the accounting treatment of specific fund, how this one is made. In question, some is specific fund. Suppose that question number 4, practical question number 4, some treatment question 4, 5 and 6 I will explain. Question number 4, just you can see the information given. These are the specific fund received by the organization for a specific purpose, special purpose. Show how will you deal with the following items in the final account of Chetak Club, Jaipur. Chetak Club, Jaipur, promoting the sports. How will you deal? Just the information given, prize fund on 1st April 2018, whatever the fund available, just the tournament organized and a sponsor of this club, this club is sponsor of the tournament, and whatever the fund available, just organizing the tournament, prize fund means the players are awarded with the prize, whatever the fund available, 80,000. Prize fund available, 80,000. Interest on prize fund investment, whatever the investment made for the tournament for this fund, that is 6,000. That is some investment made, and the interest received on the investment, that is 6,000. Prize given, whatever the prize given to the players, that is 10,000. Prize fund investment on 1st April 2018, 60,000. Donation for prize fund, 25,000. This one is the specific fund, and how this one is done. Any fund is shown in the liabilities column of final account of not for profit making organization. Now just draw the fund this way. can see now this one is the liability column and this one is the assets column. Balance sheet. Balance sheet of NPOs on 31st March 2019. Here, that is the liabilities and this one is the amount and this one is the assets. Amount, see, first we have to show the price fund. We can write the price fund. Price fund, the amount 80,000. 80,000 in liabilities column of the balance sheet. Now see, interest on price fund on investment, interest at interest on price fund investment. Price fund investment. The amount 6,000. 6,000, that is 86,000. That will be the 86,000. Then after price given price fund investment, donation for price fund. Whatever the donation received by the organization, that is 25,000. So it will be also added in price fund. Add donation. Add donation plus 25,000. 25,000. 0, 0, 0, 1. 1,01,000. 1,01,000. $80,000 available. Interest on price fund investment 6,000, 86,000 and 25,000 on 1,01,000. This one is the fund available, and we can lessen. We can less the prices given. Prices given 10,000 also, just 99,000 can be shown. Are the prices given income expenditure account, this can be shown. So, and the other things, price fund investments given. So this one is the assets of the organization. So in assets column it will be shown. In assets column, price fund investment. Price fund investment. That will be the amount that is given in information 60,000. 60. This one is the specific fund given in the organization, and this way this can be shown 1,01,000. 1,01,000. That in liabilities column, whatever the interest received for the prize fund and whatever the donation received for the prize fund added in the fund available in the organization, and just the investment is made by the organization for the prize fund only. So that will be the assets of the organization, and it will be shown in the asset column of the organization. Now in question number 5, tournament fund given. Tournament fund in question number 5 you can see. So we can write over here just the tournament fund. Now see, tournament fund. In question number 5, you can see the tournament fund. This one is the specific fund for the organization. How these are shown in the balance sheet of the not for profit making organization. I would like to tell you that is being explained for the sake of you. You can see, and just in question number 5, you can see. The information of question number 5, tournament. So how do you deal with the following items while preparing to financial statement of a not-for-profit organization? In question number 5, tournament fund. Just we can write over here tournament fund. Tournament fund. Inside of the balance sheet in liability column, just 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs will be shown in the liabilities column, and whatever other information contribution received for tournament, whatever the contribution from the society or public or members received by the organization, that is 40,000. So it will be added. Add contribution received, that is plus contribution is 40,000 plus 2 lakhs 40,000. That will be the amount, and tournament expenses deducted, and interest received on tournament fund investment. Tournament fund investment interest received. Whatever the interest received, add interest received on tournament fund, interest interest received on tournament fund that is plus the amount given 12,000. Then 2,52,000. 2,52,000. Then after the sale of ticket 20,000 at sale of tickets plus 20,000, just 2,72,000. And then less tournament expenses. Less tournament expenses whatever 80,000 minus 80,000, just the amount will be shown in the liabilities column 1,92,000. No investment given, not the amount of investment given, so we cannot show in the assets column. So dear children, for the specific purpose, just the fund available in the organization, all the organization NPOs, I mean to say not for profit making organization, raises its fund by or receiving the donations or investment, means which activities they are involved. So one of the mode in question number 5 given, just the tournament fund, means this organization organizes the tournament for sports, means cricket tournament, hockey tournament, and whatever the tournament organized by the organization, or just tournament fund available 2 lakhs in the organization, and 8 contribution received, whatever the contribution just the members of the organization contribute, just added, means whatever the amount received for this purpose, these are added, and whatever the expenses incurred in the tournament, that is lessened, and whatever the amount remain or that is surplus will be shown in the liabilities column of the balance sheet. Suppose that whether the amount 2,72,000 given, now you can see, then it's a question for the sake of us, whether this amount expenses is more than the fund available, then what happened? It will be charged from income and expenditure. That such amount, suppose that for example 2,72,000 for the tournament fund available for the particular year, and the expenses is called in 2,80,000. The expenses is more than the fund available in the organization. So how much? Minus 8,000 means expenses. It will be shown in the debit column of income expenditure account, and nothing is shown in liabilities column of the balance sheet. It will be debited to income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account. In such cases, now remember, just whether the specific fund is less than the expenses incurred for the special purpose, means the amount, the difference of the fund available and whatever the expenses incurred, just that is shown in the income and expenditure account in expenditure column. Remember, this way the accounting treatment is made for a specific fund. Thank you very much.